That's from the System Technology Institute.
Portable wind turbine and
The flood
How the builder mindset can help build satellites.
Unfiltered. What we want to do is showcase
Japanese software engineer.
The Manila Maker Faire 2019 is officially open. Welcome to Manila Maker Faire 2019.
Hi everyone, it's Faridan Dandi here and welcome to the Manila Mini Maker Faire. Hey guys, as I'm walking around here, I see one notice in here that looks like there is still students and it's nice to see them here at the Manila Mini Maker Faire.
Hi, I'm John Chapero. This is my Eldon. This is my partner, Eldon Dagdag, and we're from Philippine Science High School, Quezon City, Philippines. And our personal project is this. It is a visualizer. We have a bunch of LEDs. It's hooked up to an Arduino, and what it does is it feeds music from speakers, and there's a microphone inside. You play music through your phone, and what happens is it visualizes the noise. Play something. As seen here. The spectrum, low frequencies of the spectrum are found on the left side, and higher frequencies are found on the right side. And it fits for all music that you can play.
Hi, I'm Renzo Pangan. This is
I'm Ikat Sasdoiro.
we're from Philippine Science High School, Quezon City main campus. So our project is a game. In this map, you are in the center, and the light that comes on is a bomb. So using the arrow keys, you have to walk around on the map and go to the bomb. And it's a game because the point of the game is you have to defuse all the bombs that are found in the map, and you do that by wiring and unwiring the lights that are found on the side of the bomb.
Just want to make it sure that this is not a real bomb, right? It's just a game.
Yes, it's just a
Once you
game.
unplug some wires in a specific order, in a specific manner, you can defuse the bomb.
And then you go look for other bombs found in the map, and it's just a game. It's very fun. Yes, thank you.
So I'm Santi Tiongson, and these are my group mates Rafi Gamboa and Francois Abedejos. We're also from Philippine Science High School main campus. So our project is a safe and a little game that you have to play to get the combination to unlock the safe. So how this one works is that you tilt it around, and that it changes the values that the accelerometer gets, and using that it will fill up a screen. And as the screen fills up, once you reach this point where it's all full, you have to keep it in place to unlock one of the first numbers that you will input into the safe.
4, 5, 6, 7.
So as the makers, we actually already know what the combination is for the safe, so we can demonstrate it already on how it opens.
After you get everything, you get open. Oh no, where's the prize? There's the prize inside.
For the exhibit, we had a prize inside the safe. Ah, that's all.
Hello, my name is Shealana Ondi Villanueva. I'm a hobbyist and I'm a student from Philippine Science High School main campus. So here we have my many projects. All of them are personal. So we'll start with this one. This is what I call crop guard. This system is meant for crop security, and it is supposed to it is also automatic. So you can leave your crop inside, and then it will grow because the system will take care of it. We have sensors inside that can tell whether or not the soil is too dry. So it will pump water from underneath and up here.
Yeah, just
And then afterwards, when the water's all done, it will eventually drain back down there so that you can reuse the water over and over again. We also have this temperature sensor up here where if it's kind of hot, it will open up to release the hot air, and then when it's cold, it will just close back down again. So what we're growing here is wheatgrass, and we have tried this in a bigger version where we have grown lettuce, left it alone there, and harvested it after a month. So we also have this clock over here. We have a little clock. It doesn't look like a clock, but it's a clock. And then we have the lights so that the clock will tell when to turn on the lights to simulate sunlight and when to turn them off, because we keep this thing indoors. So that's crop guard. We also have other projects here like legged obstacle avoidance robot. But we call him Sloth at home because of how slow he actually moves. If you put something in front of it, it tries to avoid it. So later it's gonna walk straight again. It tries to avoid whatever in front of it. Over here we also have my biology project. Our teacher asked us to do a creative project, and the project I decided to do was a robotic arm. So if we were to press any of these buttons, it would make the arm move like this. One of the other projects is that we call it the window cleaning robots. We have a version 1 and a version 2. Version 1 is remote controlled, but version 2 is fully automatic. Since it's still in prototyping phase, it kinda still a bit jittery, and right now we don't have connection to power, so it can't move at the moment. We have many other projects here like line tracing, stair climbing robot, legged line tracing robot, and we also have the sumo bots that compete in other competitions. So that's my projects with Arduino. Most of the contacts I have come from my mother. We give out her phone number most of the time. My Facebook name is, that's gonna be hard to spell, Shelana Villanueva.
Hey, good morning. We're here at the Drones PH booth, or Drones Philippines, and here we are introducing something different on Maker Faire. Now, of course, a lot of you have heard about the drone industry. We are a licensed company which for commercial, if you're going to get your license permit, we are official flight school for civil aviation. So when you operate drones, there are places that requires you to get a permit and a license. So behind that, if you're a beginner in drones and you want to do commercial operations, you can learn with us. We are official flight school. So with more than 300 plus pilots, government entities served. We already been around for quite some time now. And for this Maker Faire, we'll be introducing several of our area of drones. One for the entertainment sector, the other one for the hobby, and the last one for the commercial.
Actually, these guys convinced me to have a demo here, just outside the Maker Faire. So let's see his demo. It's just an open space in here. So in any case, for safety reason, we go out. There's no people in here, just in front of the Maker Faire. Ready? Oh, come on, baby, go away. Yeah, come on, grandmother. We were having a demo, and there you are. It started up. It's oh, sorry. Back a little bit. All right. We're talking about safety here for the kids. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a dragon drone. Oh, come on. I can see the mouth is opening as well. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, God. The hands also swimming like left and right. This is a personal demonstration at the Manila Mini Maker Faire 2019. I've never seen any flying dragon before, but this one is the real one, the real thing I'm seeing here at the Manila Mini Maker Faire. Very nice, I like it. As you can see, the mouth is still opening and left and right. Great. Now we got attraction right now. People are coming in and see the demonstration. There it is. And here we go for the final one. It looks like this is it comes with a GPS, something, and LCD. I can see that. Just go back a little bit. Okay, here we go. It's lifting up. Again, so we're just back at we're at the back of the Manila Mini Maker Faire, doing some demonstration right now. And I love this guy because he convinced me to have a demonstration for his maker things. It's drones. That's the guy I'm talking about. And looks like very stable on it. I can feel the wind. We go into the sides of the Manila Mini Maker Faire. That's the place. Oh, it's a little bit dim, so we can see the LED. You can see the LED? There's the LED, right? And it's powering up right now. And here you go. Here you go, guys. And Manila Mini Maker Faire, I can read that, Manila Mini Maker Faire, and that's the Mine Museum. That's what I'm reading right now. Bless the nation, God bless. Those are the words that I'm reading right now. The cameraman not able to pick it up actually. Hey, it's Ferdinand once again, and thank you for watching the video. My coverage of the Manila Mini Maker Faire 2019. If you like my video and other Maker Faire videos, click this button and it will take you to other Maker Faire that I covered in the past, like the Shenzhen Maker Faire. You might like to watch my other video as well in travel, in discoveries, electronics, e-commerce, and including cooking sometimes. And thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to thumbs up. From the comfort of Manila, NAIA Terminal 3, bye for now, and see you in the next video.